of paper which measures 5 by 4 centimeter. Now I am cutting the sides to give it a shape of pencil. Now this red paper measures 3.5 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter, and I will connect it with this thin orange strip. I have joined it, and now using a sketch pen, color the topmost part. Similarly, you will need 3 or more pieces like this. So I am taking this long strip which measures 4 by 30 centimeter and place the pencil and mark. And from that point, mark at the intervals of 1 centimeter till the 4th line. And crease it like this. Fold it. Add glue and attach the pencil one by one. Now this paper measures 2 by 10 centimeter and attach it like this. Follow these steps that I am showing you. Cut the side parts. And it will work like this. And here it's ready. You can write any statement you want using glitter pens or black markers. So let's show you how to attach this to the paper. I have taken this white piece of paper and then I am joining this green paper together like this. Now this piece of paper measures 2 by 7 centimeter and place it like this. Add glue as I am showing to you. Add glue on both these sides and then attach it gently. I am adding this half cut pearl moti to both the sides. You can also decorate more beautifully according to your choice. Okay, so now I am writing Happy Teachers Day. And so on, you can write greetings for your teacher. And yay, it's done. It's looking very beautiful. You can gift it to your teacher and I am sure they would love it. So that's it for this today video guys. I hope you enjoyed it and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. I will come back with the new video. Till then, bye bye. Keep